How to use your Petron BassBuds Pro TWS. Smart power on and pairing. Take out earbuds from the charging case or touch TSA on both the earbuds for 3 seconds. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds until left and right both the earbuds are paired. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and search Petron BassBuds Pro to connect with the device. Smart power off. Touch TSA on both the earbuds for 5 seconds or keep both the earbuds into the charging case. Connectivity Bluetooth automatic. Just turn on the Bluetooth of earbuds, they will automatically connect to the last connected device. Calling or music through mono and dual buds. Mono bud use. Just place the right or left earbud back into the charging case. Dual buds use. Use left and right earbuds together. Voice assistant activation. Google or Siri. Touch TSA for 3 seconds on either earbud. Call and music functions. Answer or hang up a phone call. Touch either earbud once. Reject a phone call. Touch either earbuds for 2 seconds. Music play or pause. Touch either earbud once. Next song. Touch either earbud twice. Previous song. Touch either earbud thrice. Charging the earbuds. Place both the earbuds into the charging case properly. The earbuds will power off automatically when placed into the case. The red LED indicator is permanently on during charging. When earbuds are fully charged, the blue LED indicator will turn on and after 10 seconds it will turn off. Charging the case. Connect Type-C cable to the case and the USB to a 5-watt power source. The digital display will show the battery percentage charged. Once it is 100%, remove the case from charging. Troubleshooting. Scenario 1. One earbud is not working. Place both the earbuds in the charging case. Take out both the earbuds together from the charging case. Wait until left and right both the earbuds are paired with each other. After successful matching, only one earbud will flash blue and red light and the second earbud will flash blue light randomly every 5 seconds. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, search for Petron BassBuds Pro and connect. Troubleshooting. Scenario 2. Earbuds not connecting or scanning. Place both the earbuds in the charging case. Take out both the earbuds together from the charging case. Restart your Bluetooth device or phone. Now, search for Petron BassBuds Pro on your Bluetooth device and connect. Troubleshooting. Scenario 3. Earbuds disconnecting during a phone call. Charge earbuds 100% before use. Restart the earbuds and reconnect with your device.